All right, this is the Solar Drip Irrigation Accessories Kit. So I just wanted to show you what comes in this kit, and then I'll show you some of the things that I've done. I've already got in here and I've set some of it up. What you're gonna get in this kit comes in a nice little box. I've moved some of these around, but you're gonna get 39 feet of the standard tubing. So the tubing in here is the same exact size as the other two kits that I bought, so that's good. You get 39 foot of tubing, you get 15 of these T connectors, and you get 15 drippers. If you're doing this in the summertime and you leave this tube out in the sun, let it soften up a bit, it's easy to get these T connectors on. If not, you can heat up some hot water, dip the tube in there, and soften up that rubber and get this thing on there, however you want to do it. You can even use soap if you want, but I like to keep my hands dry. It makes it easier to get these on here. Also inside of here, you're going to get one of the filters, which is good. I do wish they had put another anti-siphon device in here, but what can you do? I'm using a Rubbermaid 7-gallon trash can to hold my water. I actually get rainfall coming from the gutter up here, so it works out good. Coming through my kit, it leaves out my anti-siphon device. I've got it coming over here to my tomatoes or future tomatoes. Dropped a couple of drippers off. Actually, this one's going over here. Just some ways you can use the drippers and the tees. This one I've got running up, and I just want this dumping without a tee. I guess I could put a tee on there. I just want this one dumping without a dripper into this back here, because my ground, everything goes downhill. So if I got some, water just dropping off in certain spots, like around my fig tree here, that works out good for me. And I tried to taper it all so that there's no high spots. I've got a couple of these kits, and I've got a lot of extra drippers. So I actually cut a piece of dripper off and plugged this tube when I've got to the end of the run. So I've got 2 of these kits set up right here, and I get my whole backyard, each side of it. Works out good. There you go. The Solar Drip Irrigation Accessories Kit. Very nice.